Alright, welcome back everybody. So today we are swapping out the lash adjusters and cam followers on this. So last video, the cam followers were scarred and we just picked up brand new Ford Performance cam followers. We got 24 of them here and lash adjusters as well. It's waiting for them to soak up. Then we're gonna start taking off these cam caps. We're gonna lift up the cam, fish everything out with a magnet, replace, drop the cam back down, torque it down, and see how it goes. It's a very tedious process, so I'll try and video whatever I can, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully everything goes well. All right, so we got the back 3 cam caps off. We got these loose. The cam has lifted up in the back, so now I'm gonna start magneting out the followers and adjusters with my little magnet over here. All right, so that side is fully complete. Now we're about to start loosening up this side, and I'm gonna finish this side up. So
if we were doing that way, that side, right?
Yeah.
So would it be? Dick.
One's the top. All right. Yeah. So I'm loosening up everything in the exact torque pattern. Probably don't have to, but why not? But obviously we're gonna torque in the exact torque pattern to 89 inch-pounds is what it calls for. So we're gonna crack all these off and then lift up the cam and start taking everything out. What's number 2, 3 is down here. Come on, there we go. Bada bing. So shot. So shot. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Alright, we're gonna take these back 3 out first, and we'll start fishing out the followers and adjusters. Everything's labeled, so obviously the label has to be facing the correct way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these, the way they come off, they go back on. Oh, thanks. All right. I hear Chris. All right, we'll start loosening this one up. We'll do the same thing we did on the other side. We will take the bolt all the way out, thread it in a little bit so we know where we're at. We'll start lifting her up. Cam's already lifting up, and these followers will be able to come right out. Okay. Take one out for now. So we got some of the followers out now. Everything looks good, okay, so far. We're taking out the lash adjusters down here. So they just sit down in the cylinder, and there's an oil hole down there that feeds oil into this little hole that pushes the adjuster up to keep tension.
Fed into murder.
Yeah, pretty much. This gets popped out.
Oh, the big box one's in the truck. No, I found that.
There we go. There we go. Alright, so these are a little bit of a bitch to get off. We're gonna have to Yeah, we're gonna have to loosen up. We're actually gonna take this cap off, and Chase is gonna hold this and the sprocket so it doesn't get out of time. And then we'll take these out, put the new ones in, then we'll do the easier side. Let me get this out while I'm here. Nipple. Alright, so I didn't video a lot of it because I was just going. So everything is replaced. We got the cam caps back on. We're about to start torquing everything down. So we got the handy dandy snap-on torque wrench here. We got it set to... 89 inch-pounds is what it calls for. So we're going to start in the torque sequence and just do one by one. Alright, I finished up everything. I didn't film much, but everything's back together now. Gonna give it the first start and see how it goes. So far, so good. We still have that slight ticking noise I addressed in the last video. So that's definitely the header gasket. So hopefully sometime this week or next week, I'll get that done. But so far, so good. That's out of the way. So at least we caught that before it got bad. But now we still got that header leak. You can kind of hear it over here. I just used a stethoscope on the whole motor. Everything's silent. So it's definitely a header leak. It's unfortunate, but at least we caught one issue before it got bad. Alright, good morning guys. This is the next day. Got the car all charged up because I still have a battery drain that I just haven't fixed because I'm so lazy. Gonna start her up now, let her fully warm up, see how she sounds, take her on a block, again, see how she sounds. If she sounds good and everything's okay, I'm gonna go pick up my boy Venomous and we're gonna head over to the Smith Haven car show. That's like probably 20 minutes away from my house. I'm gonna go pick him up because his car blew a header gasket, or the header again. So me and him are in the same boat, but mine you could barely hear. So fuck it, I'm gonna still drive it. So let's start this and head out. Man, it is a cold one today. Oh, it does not like the cold. Starting to get those rough E85 starts with this cold weather now. Let's put this on. Now we're waiting for her to warm up, and we out. All right, we're about to pull onto Venomous's block right now. About to pick him up. Mr. Knuckle, how you doing? All right, let's go. All right, we made it to the car show. A little dead today because the weather's cold up here in New York. Got a beautiful Blackwing here. Another beautiful black winter carbon package. I love that green. Ooh. Hey, watch the paint, buddy.
Not today.
So, put it on 17. What year is it?
It's
Garbage. I think it's gorgeous.
This car comes out to
Oh. Hello there. This is my cup of tea right here. Oh my god, watch out, Moose. You hit this thing, you'll be in generational debt. Holy shit. That sounds expensive. There's the same GT 2000, whatever the fuck that is from last week. 5th gen. Moose knuckle. Yo, I love your build. Aww. Aww. That's a poor PPF job.
Guy probably still paid like.
Yeah, exactly, in this cold ass weather. We got the old school. Take all of my money, please. Sounds like a tiny little go-kart. Car show is dead today, so we're leaving. All right, so we got some food. You know, we got the good old bacon, egg, and cheese. You know what I'm saying? Dropped off Mr. Venomous. Now I'm on the way back to the house because it's supposed to start raining in about an hour. Definitely don't want to get caught with my radials, so I'm gonna put this away. And I think that's that for this video. Yeah, so Mustang's fixed. Still gotta address that header ticking sound. Hopefully it's just the gasket and not the header itself. But that's for another day. But Mustang's back up. Feels good. Did a little pull earlier. Feels really nice. Gonna continue the data logging with Lido. And yeah, we'll just go from there. But she is back. If you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you have any content ideas, drop it down below, because I need more content ideas. I need to figure out what to make for you guys, because I know you guys want more content and whatnot. And I definitely need to work on filming a lot more stuff that I'm doing while working on a car, while I'm out with the boys and whatnot. So yeah, all right, that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys on the next one.